Good morning, guys. I'm kind of like rocking the whole afro thing right now because I'm gonna be throwing on a hat and I want to do my makeup before I head out. But I thought I'd just film like a little get ready with me so that, you know, I don't know, maybe catch up or something. I don't know. So first thing I always like to do is moisturize my face. I already done that because I like to let it sit and really soak into the skin before I apply my makeup. If you hear any noise in the background, it's my son. He's in his crib playing with his little toys, and that's the only way I can occupy him so that I can get my makeup done and we can get up out of here. Just gonna apply some makeup primer, and I'm just using that Putty primer. Put that on real quick. Last night was kind of rough. I probably got about 2 hours of sleep dealing with him because it just seemed like every time I went to go lay my head down to go back to sleep, or every time I closed my eyes, he would wake up and be crying. And I'm just like, why? Tired. It's been a couple of days of him not sleeping consistently. So hopefully this weekend, it's Friday. Oop, it's Friday. Well, hopefully he sleep this weekend, give me some rest. Last weekend we went to Great Wolf Lodge, which was so fun. I've never been there before, and we went there and had a lot of fun. He came along too because my mom was sick. She was originally supposed to have watched him, but yeah, she had got sick, so brought him along, but we still had fun. So I got some products aside that I want to use up, and I'm basically just going to keep using this foundation, concealer, and everything until it's all gone. I've been going through my makeup and just trying to get rid of all the things that are like expired and stuff. And I just been adding some stuff onto my Ulta and Sephora shopping cart because I'm gonna be buying some new makeup as well. I miss being able to like get up, take my time, do my makeup. You know, I don't have no distractions or anything. But in the meantime of me not being able to do that, I really got to focus on, you know, making sure my skin is together, taking care of that. Really like focusing on skincare this time instead of makeup. Oh, I'm using the Rimmel London eyebrow pencil, and it has like a little, I don't even really use this spoolie thing too much, but I feel like it's kind of like a reddish brown, so I'm not really feeling it, but I just want to use it up, so I'm gonna be dealing with it for a while until it's gone. But yeah, the trip was so fun, and I can't wait till the weather gets warm so that we can go on more trips. Plus, my son will be a little bit more older. Right now he's like 5 months, so he's not able to do much. He's very advanced, I can say that. He already has grown in his 2 bottom teeth just recently, and I'm just shook. I'm like, already? You're trying to grow up on me already? And now he's at the stage where he just wants to try to crawl. It's like a crawl, kind of. He gets to his point A to point B very quickly, I can say that. But it's just like him putting his butt in the air and kind of like walking on his back leg and then using his head to it's just complicated. He likes to rock back and forth, put his butt in the air, and then kind of leap to where he needs to go. And then sometimes he uses legs. I just don't get it. I just let him do his little thing. Alright, so I picked out a concealer that I want to use up, and I have the Rimmel London Color Stay concealer. I do need a filter thing out of this, but I'm not gonna do that anymore, where I take the filter out of the concealer and use it up till it's no drop left. I'm not doing that no more, so I'm just going to use that with a little brush to kind of conceal my brows so that they can look a little neater, because I do need to get my brows waxed. I need to get a lot of stuff done that I've been procrastinating on. I'm just doing everything one by one. Alright, so it's not too bad, even though it's like kind of reddish to me, but this is still like, I guess this is like a natural brown type of color, but I'm used to them being like dark. Alright, so before I put any like kind of like foundation, concealer, anything in my face, I like to set it or spray some setting spray on there just so that it can get nice and moisturized and everything kind of like blends in. Revlon Photo. I'm gonna take that same concealer again under the eyes. So with my hair, I was so indecisive in my last video of what I'm gonna do. I'm still indecisive, but for now I'm gonna try to grow it out the natural way. I'm always natural, and then I decide to like do something crazy like cut it. I end up relaxing it, and just something I'm trying not to do anymore. So in the meantime, I'm gonna grow it out. Next month you'll see me with a protective style, maybe some braids or something. And yeah, I was originally gonna cut it and have it styled so it can grow out in a mohawk type effect, where I would always have my sides cut down short and like designed or whatever. But I'm realizing that I miss growing out my hair, and I miss being able to like growth and do different like twist out styles and stuff like that. I'm just using BH Cosmetic Total Coverage Concealer to do some contour and bronzing type effect. But yeah, I miss being able to do twist outs and stuff, and plus I want to be able to do that on this channel. So I don't think I did much hair videos in the past, and I want to start doing that. So yeah, I need to find out what I'm gonna do to my stepdaughter's hair. He's just been wearing ponytails until I decide or find time to do their hair. They have so much hair, it's time consuming. I really haven't been feeling up to it, but it's Friday. We don't have school the next day, so I now have time, nothing but time to do that. Hopefully this weekend I can get some crabs and eat some crabs. I'm not going to put no foundation on my forehead because I'm wearing a hat. It looks crazy, I know, but I'm wearing foundation over it. I just wanted to place it in spots that they normally go. So I know my situation is crazy. But don't worry, putting foundation over it. Alright, so on to foundation. I'm using two, because I'm trying to use them up and there's like barely none left in them. So I'm using Clinique's Beyond Perfecting Foundation and Concealer in Cream Caramel. So this, and then L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte in 109 Classic Tan. I'm going to wet a beauty blender first. I'll be right back. Pieces that you normally would. It's like kind of like alien-y. I don't like these type of situations. I don't know if that's the word of the day, but I keep saying it because I'm so sleepy I can't think of words. I don't like having a applicator stick inside my foundation. It seems unhygienic and I feel like I'm not getting as much product as I want to, but I put that like that. Not really worrying about the outer areas because I have bronzer there. I take a little tiny squeeze of this, if any is left. Okay, we got some left, about that much. And dip my sponge in it, work it into the skin. If I start talking a little bit lower, he's asleep. I've been on a foundation hunt to find I love this Clinique foundation. That's why it's gone. I've gotten a lot of compliments on it when I was pregnant. But I'm like, I don't want to use this forever, so I'm looking for another foundation. For days I don't want to use that. I'm going to get more of that Clinique foundation, but I want to try the Fenty Beauty one. I have like a sample that I've used one time, and I'm like, oh, I might need to get the full size because I'm like really kind of liking it. I think the things that I hate the most with foundation is two things. I don't like if it makes my pores, that like the T-zone area, look kind of cakey. I don't like that. And then I don't like when the foundation is flawless and then later on down a day it looks really greasy in my T-zone, so it looks kind of like an oil slick. Okay, again, I'm not touching my forehead because I'm gonna wear a hat. I have this Nyx Beauty eyeshadow sitting in my drawer that it's just been here for a while, so I'm gonna do something different, and it looks like this is called Striptease. I'm gonna use this as highlighter, so I'm just gonna find a brush. I don't like a lot of stuff, it appears. I don't have the patience for mess, so the fact that this is like I have to like dump out the powder is loose powder. The fact that I have to do that, okay, this is not working out for me. So scratch that. We're not gonna use this. I'm gonna go into that Wet n Wild highlighter powder that I've been using lately a lot. Like I don't look at nothing else. I just use this. I'm gonna use this and place this over top of the foundation before I put powder over it. Maybe this might give me that dewy glow instead of like crazy highlighted glow. Okay, before I even set the face, I'm gonna use Nyx Finishing Powder. Looks like this is very white banana actually. So sponge, and I've hit pan on it since you can't. I've hit pan on it, so hopefully I can use this product up in a good timing so that I can move on. I dropped it and cracked it, whatever. L'Oreal True Match powder to set the rest of my face. Now I feel like I already got a lot of product already, so I'm gonna just use a big type of brush. NYX Matte Bronzing Powder in Deep Profound. Just gonna deposit the color right back into my cheekbones and stuff. Now normally on a day where I'm not doing nothing, probably put some concealer and use my MAC Studio Fix powder and then call it a day. Light bronze, no blush, keep it simple, mascara, brows, and lip gloss. Also Sense bronzer. It's like a shimmery type of bronzer. I'm gonna just pop that on the finer brush. And then lastly on the face, e.l.f. highlighter. And I'm gonna go ahead and set it again with this Revlon Photo Ready setting spray. I'm trying to think my face doesn't like matte foundations or mattifying product because it looks dry right now. It's not at the point of cakey, it just looks really, really matte and flat. I feel like sometimes my son just don't let me be great. I'm just gonna line my eyes with some... Okay, lips. I'm not really caring about lips because I'm not dressed to be wearing like colored lipstick or anything. I'm just wearing some jeans, some comfortable sneakers, and this white shirt. I am gonna line it just a little bit. And Soft Spoken by NYX. I think I'm using a lot of NYX products, huh? Actually, this one is Los Angeles. Black Radiance HD Lip Sculpture in First Lady. that's pretty much it. I'm like highlighted out for real. I'm gonna go ahead on. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't. Check out my t-shirt merch that I have in the eye in the sky. And then, yeah, check me out on my other social medias, such as Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter. He's asleep. I'm about to wake him up, get him together so we can go. I'll see you in my next video.